Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prunella, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. Go ahead and press the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're a return subscriber, then welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna do a video on how I do my smoky eyes, and I'm gonna show you how I actually do it. And please watch the video right to the end. I'm gonna drop you down a very nice tip related to your skin, and it's gonna make your makeup look flawless. I'm gonna go and do my base first and my eyebrows. So see you there. So guys, as you can see that I've already done my base and I have done my eyebrows as well. As I've mentioned before that I'm not very comfortable doing my eyebrows on camera. But anyway, so as I told you that today we're going to do smoky eyeshadow, and I'm done with my base. So I'm straight away going to get into the eyeshadow, and I'm going to show you how I actually do my eyes. For that I'm going to be using eyeshadows by the company called Boots. This is how it looks. Without any further delay, I'm just going to get into it straight so that you don't get mad at me or keep on jabbering, because I actually do. So I'm going to use a brush like this for now, just to put the base of my eye, like the light color that I would want to put. Take that, grab it off. I'm going to do the base of it first. So when you talk about smoky, I believe the more smudgier and the more less neat it is, it looks better. So the next color that I'm going to use is, this is what I use for the base color. Next color I'm going to use this little blue to a little fluffier brush. It's got a little angled look. That's what I'm going to use for blending. It's going to be with another brush, so don't worry about it. Sorry for blocking the camera out, but... So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the darkest color. That's slightly like a greenish sort of thing. And I'm going to use this blending brush. I'm going to go in straight with the dark color. You don't want to take too much on the brush. You always want to dust it off, because dark colors you can always go in with more, but once you put more and you want to reduce the color, you can never. So always go in with less and then more. If you need more, add on. Adding on is easy, but reducing it is not. So go with less amount and then add on, build it up. So I'm going to be extra cautious. I'm just going to get into the crease, like in the corners. As I told you, for smoky eyes, the more blending, the more prettier, the more nice, less neat. You can keep building the color if you want, but once you put more, trust me, it's the worst experience I've ever had while, experimenting. And I have done makeup earlier. Like, obviously I'm not a pro, but learned it from a couple of makeup artists. I've seen the way to do it, so kind of adapted. So they always say of the color. Dust, blow off, and get into it. Keep blending. Blending is the key. So I do my base before my eye makeup, so it gets enough time to set in. So when it comes to the corner of the eye, like here, over here, I like to take it in an angle and blend it out like this. The next thing I'm going to do is take a flat brush, something like this. Kind of flat, yep. So you want to go in with a nice light color, or probably you can use the same base color that we used earlier. So I'm using the same base color which was used earlier. That is this one. And you can just, give it a nice little definition. Dab it on. You're gonna go with a brush like this. You see that? You're gonna go and diffuse this little thing right under your eye. You're not going to take it all the way to the corner, to the inner corner of your eye. You're just going to blend it out, and you're going to make some color. So the same thing we did on top is what we're going to do down. Just blend it in the outer corner of your eye. So what I did is I started with this one first, then I'm going in with this, and then in the inner corner is what I'm going to do with this. So now I just took the lighter color like this. Dust it off. Go in a corner of your eyes. Be very careful. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little fluffy brush, which I actually use for the highlighter. I'm going to use the highlighter by Anastasia Beverly. And I'm going to go in with the color Forever Lit. That's this one. Really not too much. Take just a little, like this. And only go on the top of your eyebrow. Can you see? You guys already know my mascara that I use. It's the Kristen Dior. Be very careful while you're applying your mascara. This, girls, come on, we all know we tend to mess up with the mascara the first time we put it. The instant difference. And then you're gonna go in with a second coat, which I actually do because I am not a regular eyelash. You know, I don't use the Folks eyelash on my eyes regularly. Once in a blue moon, only for events. So guys, now that my mascara is done, I'm gonna go in. As you guys know, I always like to use a white pencil to make my eyes look more brighter and wide awake. So I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner Kajal by IsaDora. I'm gonna use this in my waterline, on my lower waterline, and I'm gonna make my eyes look really nice. So using a white pencil makes your eyes look really wide awake and really bright and good. So this is actually a regular routine of mine whenever I do makeup, whether it be just a basic or whether it be just, you know, some smoky eye or something, with a brush and just dust off the excess that has fallen in my eye, excess eyeshadows. So, tip of the day is that before I do my makeup, I prefer cleaning my face really very well, which means I do a face wash, I do a face scrub, then I apply a toner on my face, then I moisturize my skin, and I prime my skin, a lot of preparations, I know. Then I start with my makeup. So what a face scrub does, I know many of you girls and guys might be thinking that, oh, why would we want to do a face scrub before makeup? Well, doing face scrub before makeup will smoothen out your face, clean out all the pores of your face. I know it's going to open out, but if you have really big and huge pores, and which is very easy to, like, you know, scrubbing opens out the pores, as you know. So if you have visible pores, close up the pores, use ice cubes. Use ice cubes, all right? And you can use aloe vera gel. You can make it into ice cubes and just apply it to your face before you do your makeup, and then moisturize your face really well, hydrate your face, prime your face, and get in with your makeup. So guys, this is my makeup, and if you really like my makeup, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and comment down below. Do drop me your feedback. How do you like it, and how you know? And if you have anything that you want me to shoot about, please drop it down below and I'm gonna do it. Thank you.